Hello and welcome. One of the improvements in Windows 11 has to be the updated Snap Assist feature. The snapping goes back to Windows 7, but this time Microsoft put in the extra work and made the feature more user-friendly to deal with. Microsoft also added a few additional options in the snap layout. To use the Windows 11 Snap Assist, you simply need to hover over the Maximize button in, for instance, a File Explorer window. As you can see, there are 6 options. Depending on the size of your screen, it is possible that your options are different than mine. New in Windows 11 is to have the Snap Assist divide your screen in 3 vertical-sized sections. For instance, you can split the screen in 3 by having each application use about 33% of the screen. You can also have one application use 50% while the other 2 each use 25%. So for the File Explorer window, I can choose any of these options and place it there. I'll pick one of the new options. After that, I can choose other applications to fill in the other 2 panels. Keep in mind that while most regular applications like File Explorer, Microsoft Office apps, and web browsers are able to work with the layout options in the Snap Assist, there are also some applications that won't be able to handle the snap layout. When you have applications grouped with the Windows 11 Snap Assist, you can hover over one of these apps on the taskbar. When you do this, you get 2 options. You can open the application itself, or you can open the group of applications that you made with the Snap Assist. For the last bit in this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to manage the snap settings in Windows 11, or what to do if you can't see the snap layout when you hover over the Maximize button. To do this, click on the search icon and type in Snap Settings. This opens the multitasking menu. Click on Snap Windows to open the drop-down menu. The second option, Show Snap Layouts when I hover over Windows Maximize button, is what we use in this tutorial. When you uncheck this, the snapping won't work. This should be active by default, but if the snapping isn't working, it might be that this setting isn't active. There are a few other settings that you might want to check, so make sure to have a look if you are interested in customizing your snapping. This concludes our Windows 11 Snap Assist tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.